Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will talk about why your higher portable air conditioner is not cooling and how to fix it. Let's get started. Reasons why your higher portable air conditioner is not cooling. Dirty air filter. Over time, dirt settles over the air filter, leading to inefficiency of the thermostat. Additionally, dirt may freeze the evaporator coil and obstruct the pathway of the cold air outlet. Leaking refrigerant. The refrigerant is vital as it absorbs and cools hot air from the coil. When this liquid is low or leaks, the thermostat may fail to cool the air. Defective compressor. A defective compressor will fail to compress the refrigerant, affecting your air conditioner's cooling property. Wrong temperature settings. Sometimes you may be operating on the wrong thermostat setting, which makes the room warmer instead of cooling it. Poorly sealed room. Sometimes, due to poor sealing, the room may be warmer while the conditioner is on because it vents hot air from outside. Here is how to fix these issues. Clean the dirty filter. Follow these steps. Unplug the air conditioner from the power supply. Disassemble the AC panel. Locate and remove the filters. Use a soft brush to remove dirt settled on the filter. Wrap up the cleaning by placing the filter under running water. Once dry, reassemble the filters. Make it a periodical thing to clean your filters. Check the refrigerant. To identify a leaking or insufficient coolant, do the following. Switch on your air conditioner. Lean closer, listen to the hissing or bubbling sounds, or closely check for ice formation. If you notice any of these, you may have a leak or insufficient coolant. Correct this by contacting a professional for repair and/or refill. Assess the compressor. Watch out for the following signs to assess a damaged compressor. Air conditioner that shakes when operating. Air conditioner that makes the room warmer rather than cold. Strange or unfamiliar noises are coming from your AC. If you notice one of these signs, you may have a malfunctioning or damaged compressor. Call a professional for replacement. Correct your thermostat settings. Follow these steps. Locate the thermostat. Reverse the setting from on to auto. Seal your room properly. Ensure your room is properly ventilated to avoid constant venting of hot air from outside by closing doors, windows, and blinds. Seal the room from direct sunlight. Inspect for any visible cracks and seal them. Thanks for watching.